Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another dot mandala bookmark making video. Here is a small bookmark base. I drew some circles and one single line as a guideline for me. And these are the colors that I'm going to use, greenery and chrome yellow. Let me start dotting now. In all these three sets of circles, in the center I'm going to dot with greenery. Now what I'll do is to keep 8 straight swipes around this circle. I'm going to keep a plumpy dot and then manually drag it to a swipe. Now I'll manually drag it to a swipe. I've taken a nail art tool with the smallest ball in it. Now in between I'm going to work the dots in green. Now I'll repeat the same pattern. Now I'm going to drag them to a swipe. And for working the dots here, I'm using this nail art tool. This is a set of 5 tools and I'm choosing the medium tool here. And in the medium tool also there are 2 balls. One is smaller, the other one is bigger. I'm choosing the big ball side of it and keep only 4 dots. Let me tie the tassel now. I'm sure all of you loved this bookmark and thank you for watching this video.